So good evening, everybody. Dr. Aman here for DentAcme, Chandigarh. And yes, we are left with 1 month and few days before we have our NEET MDS exam 2024 on 18th of March. And when I talk to students now, the biggest mistake I would say students are doing right now is interacting with a lot of other batchmates, colleagues, students, creating a lot of anxiety. One. Second, lack of planning last 1 month, because you want to do everything which you've read before. You think you just need to go through every single question, every single notes, so that you don't forget something. So that it has to be done very smartly. That is an advice to all of you. You cannot cover everything and revise again and again. It has to be a smart preparation, and most important, keep your nerves calm. The best way to do that is get disconnected from the world and get connected with your mentors. That is the best way which you can follow at this stage of your preparation. Okay, so that is an advice. I hope it will help. Okay, so take care, best wishes, and I'm sure you all will do good. Take care.